Just came out of my closet. There's a monkey in there, and it's gonna kill me. It's still after me. I don't know what that. I don't know what that. Pretty sure that monkey is gone. I just had, I got scarred. Look what he did to me. I look like Maureen Mecca now, all emo and stuff. I'm back once again. They didn't rip off all my arms. I found one of them. I found one of them under my bed. I think I'm gonna use it as a Playboy doll or blow-up doll, and I'm going to rape it long time. There's a virus on my computer. It is probably from the monkeys. It's probably from the monkeys, or it's probably from porn. I don't know. Yeah, I do. I captured one of the monkeys. I just look so sexy on the screen. Oh, yes. I captured one of the monkeys, and it talks like a retard, and I had to interrogate it. It's going back. I named it Jimmy. Hey. Okay, Jimmy. Tell me what happened. So, yeah. Come on. He's really good. I'm gonna break him though. What the? What? You just try to slap me, ho? I'm interrogating you. Ho? I got him. Don't worry, gang. Oh, fuck this bitch. You still wanna talk? Oh yes, monkeys. Oh, I can explain. He took it